Hello, hello, it's Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts, and I have just a few minutes to play. So we are going to pick out our next page, which is right here, and do some decorating and fancying up. Let's see, now we have, oh boy, those are pretty, aren't they? What do we have here? Let's have a look. Interesting. 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 We still have that. I like that in the pocket. It's okay in there because it's a journaling card, so it would be okay in a pocket there. Well, we need to decorate these up a little bit. These are not decorated enough. Pretty. Pretty. No. 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 More of a natural looking dogwood one. That should go somewhere, huh? Oh, my eyes are just killing me there. Oh, goodness. That's a good one. Okay, I'm not finding what I want in that one. I don't even know where this one goes. Oh, way up there. Way up high. I didn't clean all this up because I knew we had some things we were going to do here. Oh, look here. Oh, I love this. Yeah. This one could go here. That could go there. Little bird's facing the wrong way. Now, I know I use these in another journal together like that. So I don't know if I want to do that again. Oh. That looks pretty, doesn't it? You can write on the back of that. Ooh. Okay, now I could cover the Piccadilly Circus up with that. Safe milk, safe and pure milk. I've got the yawns, guys, I'm sorry. Couple of tickets. I see a lot of great things that we could use in here. Like extra lima beans. Ooh, looky here. Okay, let's pick a different page. That page is just not doing. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay, now this could go somewhere like that. this could hang down. We have to put something on the back. So there's that. Or here is this with a little doily. Oh, we don't want to fold it over because it's an accordion, and that means it would kind of split funny. Okay, I'm going to glue this one on here. Oh, I'd love to stick that up there and put a hole in it. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Okay. You got my calling card on that one. So let's maybe put this back there. Or maybe this. Or that. Because I don't think anything more than that is going to be out there. And we want it to be strong enough to hold it. Yeah. We'll cut around it. Okay. Hubby's making dinner right now. So I don't even know. Did I turn on record? I am recording. Hi. How are you? I know I said I was going to probably do some of this off on my own for a bit, but here I am. I just keep thinking, I got to go do some more on that journal. Because it's just so fun. Okay, right there. We'll put another eyelet in there. Okay, I'm going to bring this over just a little bit and secure this closer, the hole closer to the edge. Oh. Pocket. It's a pocket. You know, I kind of want to add something to that pocket. I think maybe, don't know. Okay. Oh. I'm thinking about dinner. That's what I'm doing. My husband's making dinner. Anyway, I was going to go back and work on the other journal, but I don't know. You probably can't see this, but this whole desk is wiped out working on this. Because I just have been zipping through and throwing papers here and throwing papers there and clipping and cutting and chopping. And so so it's kind of a mess right at the second. I do want to put this in here. So I'm just going to put it in as the back of this. Although I could, we'll do 2 pockets out of it. That's what we'll do. We'll do a second pocket, a tall one. And then this will be the back pocket, and that'll be the front pocket. What do you think? I don't need to do the bottom there. I did, but I didn't need to. What I'll do is put this down this side, like that. Glue it across the bottom. Okay, so that's going to go there. So we'll have glue here to here. And we'll put this on there. Like that. Okay, now this is the start of one pocket, here and here. And then I'm not going to glue it down here or here. I'm just going to bring it down and up. Okay? So it's going to come down from this way, or we'll go up to start with. Like so, and then we need a little bit on there just to secure that down and hold it. Right about there. So that it will be tough enough to hang on to a charm or a little bead or something. It'll hang on to something. Okay, so there is that pocket and that pocket. And you can see that this pocket goes all the way from there over to there. And this one is just like this. And this one can hold quite a bit. Now this, is this a pocket? No, that's part of the page. So let's see. We could make a pocket over here with one of these. Now it could actually go at an angle as a pocket here with, it cuts off right there, so it would have to go from there to there, and then, or it could go from here to there. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, it could. Could go like this. Like this. There, get that little hook up there. Okay, now that much sticks out, so we need something back there. So let's find a little bit of something like washi tape. Like this. There we go. A little bit of washi tape. Let's bring it around to this side. And then cover the rest of it with a little bit of ink. And we're going to turn it into a pocket. Just kind of a little sideways one by giving it a little bit of a hole here. We'll know that it is doing something. Where am I? Was it here? Yes. So, right like that, we're going to bring it just into there. So whatever goes in there can go all the way down. Okay, so we'll go here, 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 there. Just like that. Nothing on the bottom. Just right inside. And I didn't mean to put it over that way. Needed to put it this way. And darken those up a little bit. There we go. So let's have a look at that pocket and see what it does exactly. Perfect. So we'll need a couple of long things in that one. Now down here. Nope. Oh, I love this yellow. With the yellow like that. Yes, I do. I'm going to put it this way, so we have to go behind it there. So you have to be careful when you get into this pocket, because it's going to be a little bit more fussy than the other ones, because some of it's sticking up. Right there. Okay, so we don't want anything on there. And we will be getting back to the other journal to finish it. I just got so excited about doing this one that I had to do it. Okay. So there we go. I almost want to put those eggs there. Now we have a pocket. Let's flip this over so you can see. We have a pocket right here. See? Plus this one. And I feel like it needs a little something right here. And maybe over here. So let's find one of those thin strips. All right, I'm on my way. Like this. And we'll add that. Okay, so I'm going to leave it right here. And I'm going to let you go for today. And I will see you all tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this little short bit on the accordion journal. And I will see you all tomorrow. Let's get a little closer so you can see it. There you go. All right, see you all tomorrow. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.